Welcome back to Quiz University, reminding you that knowledge is power.
Look who's back. Another video of quiz challenges for you. A few seconds per question to answer each, and you can pause anytime. The correct answers will be pinned in the comments section soon, so stay tuned. Remember to hit subscribe for more quiz challenges. Are you ready? Let's start. Which of the following is an example of a fact? It is a personal view, attitude, or appraisal, or personal feelings. It is the study of existence. It can be a belief or judgment that rests on grounds insufficient to produce complete certainty. Critical thinking and are important tools to distinguish facts from opinions. Critical thinking is a lifelong process of self-assessment that further consists of defining, analyzing, devising solutions, and it is of perennial intellectual interest to human beings. It is a lifelong self-evaluation process that includes defining, analyzing, and finding solutions. It is the study of knowledge. Which of the following statement is not an attribute of a critical thinker? He is often considered the first to differentiate knowledge from opinion. The methodology or method that philosophers use to address philosophical questions. It is the study of how individuals govern a certain place. It refers to a methodical, thoughtful, reasoned, and systematic approach to topics of broad interest. Which of the following is an example of an opinion? He devoted much of his time to the problem between appearance and reality. Something that appears to be true is not automatically true. It cannot be settled by science, common sense, or faith. It entails a thorough comprehension of philosophy, as well as abstaining from just making statements and instead reasoning through arguments. It is the study of action. It has answers, but the answers remain in dispute. It is the study of reasoning. When we are sick, we seek their advice and expertise. It is dangerous to mistake an opinion for it. For example, Facebook would post deceiving updates or photos. It is the study of the universe. The skills and values that it teaches will provide you the mental training you need to distinguish the true from the false. It will show you the path to a good life. The subject matter of philosophy. It is the study of art. Every time we connect with other people in this world, we are confronted with assertions that are easy to misinterpret as fact. They do not possess knowledge about disease and the human body. Let me know in the comment section your answers to see if it matches the correct answers in the pinned section. Share this to your friends to see if they could beat you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more. See you in the next quiz challenge only here in the Quiz University.